We're gonna go ahead and do Lost in the Shuffle, 32 counts, 4 wall, beginner step. You're going to go ahead and start with your right foot. You're gonna do a Lindy to the right, Lindy to the left, toe, toe, toe. You're gonna do a jazz box into a K step, forward, tap, back, tap, back, tap, and forward. With your right foot, you're gonna go ahead and do a shuffle, half turn, left foot goes forward, shuffle, quarter turn. Let me go ahead and do this with a count, starting with your right foot. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. On the wall, 5th and 9th, both time occurring at 12 o'clock, you're going to do a walk forward. Walk, 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 back, back, back. So on this tag, you will be completing the 32 count pattern. Thank you.